Most coffee creamers are filled with ingredients that aren't exactly great for your heart health, but fortunately, there's a simple, all-natural alternative. All you need is oat milk. Oat milk is super smooth, heart-friendly, and contains 15% of the dietary fiber you need in a day in just one small serving size. Oat milk is made from water, oat bran, chicory root extract, and a little sunflower oil. But if you want to make it into a super delicious coffee creamer, all you need to do is add a little bit of either cinnamon, chocolate, or peanut butter powder, and some sweetener like xylitol or stevia that are all natural. Just shake this combination up and you are good to go to enjoy an all-natural, delicious, and healthy coffee creamer. So start your day off right. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.